Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 F-150 STX in a dark gray. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. It also has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4. It has a trailer tow package as well. This has only had one owner. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. In the door, you have manual locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and you have a little bit of a step on the face of your steering wheel, which can tilt. You have your cruise control as well as volume control for your media and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see your odometer reading on there, and as well you can press your automatic select shifter for tow haul. It'll appear up above, and then press it again. And as you toggle through for your setup and your menu, you can clear the information and go to things like how many kilometers to empty, and there's your odometer reading underneath, as well as the oil life, the units you're using, and whether your trailer sway is on or off. And there you go. So you can toggle through there. There's a little bin up above, and as well you've got your display screen. So you've got AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. As well, there's your traction control, hazard lights, and there's your CD player. And then you have the different options there, volume and tuner, and your CD aux line. As well, you've got your front defrost, AC and max AC. There's your fan and your climate control. And then you've got a 12 volt. There's your auxiliary line in, USB. There's a little cubby down below to put things. Off to the side is your 4x4, and then you've got another little cubby there. Your armrest pops up and becomes a seat. You actually have a seat belt there. You can clip underneath, and there is more storage. You can slide this out, and you've got a couple of cup holders, and you notice the vinyl flooring, and that just makes for easy cleanup. It's quite nice. You have another little bin. There's a 12 volt, your glove compartment down below. You have a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's a grab handle in the body, and up above you have your dome lighting. 17-inch wheels, roll bar step, black handle, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it up, simply put your hand in the and pull down, and inside you've got a good sized box with tie downs in all 4 corners. You can go and close everything up, walk away, lock it up, or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. So you simply pull the little handle here and it'll lift the seat right up. I'm just doing it with one hand there. You've got that nice vinyl flooring on the floor for easy cleanup. And then when you want to bring the seat back down, simply push the clip again, down it goes. There's anchors at the base, and you've also got a sliding window in the back so you can add in some light and air. There's also hooks towards the headrest, and there's your dome light. Bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, manual, side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.